Hello everyone, today we're going to replace this doorknob. It has having issue, it just start locking by itself. And the only good thing about this lock is coin based, so you can grab a coin to unlock it, or you can even use screwdriver, whatever that's flat, you can unlock it. So I'm going to replace it with the same kind. So this video I'm going to show you how to replace a doorknob, but you can just could apply to any type of doorknob. Alright. First thing we're going to do is remove the screws in the back here. They're Phillips, so you need a Phillips screwdriver. Sorry about the background noise. My son has a server running in his bedroom. He's into IT stuff. That's the fan from the server. So take this out. Use my fingers so I can do it at the same time. One out. Two. Now you should be able to pull the other one out, the other side. See here. Pull it up. Okay. If it doesn't come out right away, insert the Phillips in the hole here. See? And push it up. Okay. If it doesn't come out without any pressure. Now we install the new one. Put this first. Depends on how you close the door. The door closes this way, so this one faces out there. Okay. If the door was locking this way, it goes the other way. So this one goes with the striker. Okay, the flat one no, because in your here, so it's gonna push here. The plate there, it'll push here, so that's why it's locking. But if you put it this way, you won't be able to close your door. So this way, okay. You can use the same screw, by the way, so I'll just reuse the old screw. For this part anyway, but for the inside here, you use the screw that came with it. But for this one, I'm just going to use the same screw for the outside. Make sure you don't close it. Now here's the doorknob. So, okay, so hope you can see it. I have a lot of junk there, so I can't really put my camera there. Just put it at an angle. So I put it like this. And line up the two holes. There you go. See? It's in with the screws. And it should be able to turn the knob. Let's see if we can do it without putting the screw. That lock. Now you can put the screws. Use the one that came with the the doorknob. Okay. Now I'm not gonna bother changing the striker plate over there. It should work the same. So put it by hand first. Make sure they line up. And if you can see it, pull a little bit, that way you can see that it's lined up. The screw goes into the hole. Okay, I can see it here, it's inside. I'm gonna hand tighten it first. No, hand tighten it. Not too far. Now that should be low enough for the screwdriver to fit. Just tight. That's tight. Lock the door. Open. I didn't strike the striker plate over there. It works. I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna lock it. I'm gonna go outside. I'll use this. You can use a coin, like I said before. I'll just use this flat head. Unlock. So it works. Alright, so that's how you change the doorknob. This is the one you can open by coin, but you can it works for all the type of doorknob. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope this helped you. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day and see you next time. Goodbye. Ooh, chocolate.